Sit down, be quiet, and listen to me. Today we're going to talk about the imperative. Hello, this is Axel from How to Teach X here. Did you notice the commands in the beginning? Those were already examples for the imperative. We use the imperative in situations where we want to give commands, orders, instructions, advice, or simply to warn someone. For example, like I asked you in the beginning of the video, to sit down, be quiet, and to listen to me. I hope you did. You see, in those commands, the base form of the verbs is used without a subject. To sit down. We don't need a subject as the subject you is implied. Now what does that mean? Either the person talking to you uses the imperative be quiet, and you know you should be quiet because he's obviously or she is obviously addressing you. On the other hand, the order could also come from a sign such as a stop sign, traffic stop sign, and then you also know it's you who should stop the car. Not too difficult. Therefore, let's talk about some examples. First, a command or order. So, for example, come here. An instruction, pour the flour into the bowl. An advice, use sunscreen to avoid sunburn. Or a warning, watch out! But what do we say if we don't want the person to do something? Yes, we just use a don't or do not before the verb. So, a come here becomes don't come here. Pour the flour into the bowl becomes don't pour the flour into the bowl, and so on. It's also possible to use the imperative with let's or let us. For example, let's get some ice cream. For the opposite, for the negation or the negative form, we use not. So not don't, but not. You say, let's not get ice cream. However, who wouldn't want to get ice cream though? Alright, here we go. You are the commander now. What would you tell the people in the pictures? For example, you could say the window is open and it's cold, so you want the person to close the windows. So you say, close the window. If you want the person to turn down the music, you simply just say, turn down the music. If you want the person to not step on the banana peel, you say, watch out. And if you want the person to clean his or her room, you might say, clean your room. Just as always, in case you want to watch the video again and brush up your knowledge on the imperative, then feel free to watch the video. Another time, if you like our work, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Make sure you also visit our website because we upload new worksheets regularly, and maybe already or in the near future your topic is coming up. So thank you for your participation and see you in the next video.